The local neighborhood critters have once again gathered together. This morning, our little sparrow has gone missing. The critters have organized a search party. That poor little sparrow. He was always the first to greet the day with cheerful chirps. But by mid-morning, his absence has everyone concerned. As the day goes on, their worries grow deeper. Could he have been bird-napped? Or injured? Or stranded in the deep dark woods? Even the mean old grackle is puffing up from this stressful situation. Maybe the security camera footage will help the search. If only they knew how to operate it. Oh dear, the sun is beginning to set already. Well then, what do we have here? Look who finally decided to show up.